It was raining, the kind of rain that felt like the sky was crying. On a busy New York street, people rushed by without noticing a drenched little girl sitting by a bakery window, shivering, holding an empty cup. "Do you have any expired cake?" she whispered to strangers. Nobody stopped. But one man stopped, a billionaire named Ethan Cole, a man who owned everything but felt the weight of emptiness inside. In that moment, looking at her, he felt something shift. Ethan stepped out into the rain. The girl looked up, startled. "I wasn't begging," she said. "I just asked for expired cake. I haven't eaten since yesterday." Her voice cracked. Ethan froze. No one had ever asked him for something so small. Her name was Lila. Her mother had passed away 2 months ago. She ran away from a cruel foster home to find her mother's old bakery. She used to say, "There's always sweetness left, even in what's expired." Inside the bakery was an old, untouched cake, forgotten like the child who longed for it. Ethan bought the whole cake without hesitation. They sat under the awning, sharing the cake with their hands. For the first time that night, Lila smiled, a fragile but real smile. That one simple smile cracked open something inside Ethan's heart. He didn't know it yet, but this moment was the beginning of a transformation. The next morning, Ethan couldn't focus on work. Board meetings, deals, contracts all felt meaningless. Lila's thin hands and trembling voice haunted him. He rushed back to the bakery. She wasn't there. Panic flooded him. He searched the streets until he found her sleeping under a bridge, cold and fragile. When she woke, she asked fearfully, "Did I do something wrong?" "No," Ethan whispered. "You did everything right. But I can't walk away." He brought her to his penthouse. She stared at the huge space, overwhelmed. "It's too big," she whispered. "I don't belong here." Ethan smiled sadly. "Neither do I." Weeks passed. Ethan took legal guardianship, enrolled her in school, and spent mornings sharing breakfast with her. His life changed. He helped orphans, funded shelters, and found meaning again. One evening, Lila gave him a small charm made from her mother's old cake mold. "You helped me remember that even old things can make something new." Tears filled Ethan's eyes. Years later, the old bakery was restored by Ethan and renamed Lila's Grace. It gave out free cakes to children every evening. Above the bakery door, a sign read, "There's always sweetness left, even in what's expired." And every time Ethan saw a child smile, he remembered the night a little girl asked for expired cake, and a billionaire found his heart again.